Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. As the turntable swings. Sounds like a paint pouring soap opera. Mica Gold. Hobby Lobby Master's Touch. Modern Masters Venetian Blue. A star something or other mica that's on my Amazon link underneath the link tree. This is Folk Art Turquoise. I think it's a turquoise flash. This is got iridescent pearl fine medium in it from Golden, and it's a orange product from Hobby Lobby Master's Touch. This is a Folk Art Acrylic Enamel Black Gloss, which I'll be using as a catalyst. These are my colors. That is a matte neon pink. I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I just used this card to swipe with, and it's got beautiful colors on it, and it's inspired me to want to do another painting. I almost never do a white background, and I want to take the chance. And that might be way more paint than I need, but I do have small scrape dishes. Let's hope I left myself enough room to swing my turntable around. What is that? Looked like a little tiny, I don't know. Looked like a little Halloween eye, googly eye. Can't even imagine what that was. Alright, so if there's too much paint, it comes off really easily, right like that. I am going to do something similar to what I did the last time and add my colors in a zigzagging pattern down the center. I had to just do it everywhere. Come on, cover. I see you not covering. I do have tweezers to get out anything that's in there that doesn't look like it belongs, and there's a couple things that look like they don't belong, starting with that right there. And that. I should have cleaned my hands better. I seem to be afflicted with paint chips. Wonder how that happens. I just don't wash my hands in between paintings sometimes. So I'll leave that paint, and I can probably touch up my edges. I'm going to throw my spatula in the bucket. I am going to give myself the colors that I talked about, and I'm going to try and finish with the ones I want last. So I'm going to start with that turquoise is not open, so that is not a turquoise I'm going to use. I am going to take a, really? I'm going to take a chance and start with my turquoise flash and head on to the Venetian blue. And move along to this ancient mica powder. That's a great color. Similar to the purple flash, but not. Come to think of it, I probably want some of that in there anyway, just to be on the safe side. And then the neon pink. Maybe I'll selectively put the orange in. And I didn't put yellow in last time, and I definitely wanted it. And it was opened very recently. I feel like I'm missing something. What could it be? It's not more purple. It might be more blue. It's definitely that turquoise. Maybe some of that light blue would be good too. See, I've already put too much paint down. I'm just going for it. Yeah, it's that. I know I want to tip it. Alright, I had some cell activator here. And I wanted to put some even more black. Who knows what this is going to be like. It's a big risk not using my usual deck art. Americana, but I think I'm just gonna, that looks pretty good. Where's my scrape dish? I need a new scrape dish because I want that old one to have the white paint in it. Now, maybe I'm going to use a different card. I'm either going to use this plastic card. I have one with rounded corners that I used to use. Sans the dog hair. I'm just going to try and remember to use the excess paint that I swipe with. Oh, nice cells. Really, really nice cells. What was that, I wonder? Nothing. An anomaly. I'm going to wipe that off. I think I'm just going to go crazy. Short trip. Because I like how those cells looked originally. Now, because I can, I think I'm just going to be weirder still and tip this puppy. I'm going to grab an edge catcher, so if I spill any paint, I can decide to let it go. This is cool because I like the paint that's left behind a lot of times. Who knows what I'm going to do with this now. I could definitely let this become all kinds of things, including something that has chain put into it. I was thinking earlier, dangerously so, that I like to put dots of things in and then let them run. This is a wild one. I'd like some paint to come off just because at that point then I can scoop it back up and put it back on if I want. So, is that a modified swipe? That is white paint all over the edge of my canvas, which is okay. Let's grab the edge catcher and my last clean spatula and that beautiful paint. Put it right up there because I can. Let's move some of these bottles out of the way. So if I want to put my edge catcher down again, I can in a moment. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Kind of want to let some of that go over. Where's my edge catcher? There we go. I think if I put something along that edge to pull that paint over, that I have a better chance of pulling that paint over. Let's see if I'm right. And then again, if I blow on it, that might work too. Might destroy a few colors, but it might also make it cohesive. I like this stuff down here, which is no longer moving. Yeah, she's getting frisky now. I like that color in there a lot. I don't know what inspired me. I guess I was just listening to my music again. Yes, that color means everything to me right now. Don't have any idea why. If I keep from greening it up, I'd be even happier. If I get black in there, it'll be a problem. Now I've got a paint skewer with a little ball of whatever on the end. I don't know if I'm done yet or not. I don't think I am. I want to see what happens when I put my cell activator right up there. That's kind of okay. Kind of want some of that right down here. Because I can. The name of my first book, it's on the Amazon link under the link tree next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. I got some nice cells some places. Question is, what now? Really like this down here. All those little movements. I don't know if I can keep any of this mica powder. I know it kind of disappears, but I'd like to try. I know this wasn't what I was planning on to begin with either. Have a tag along. Pull that puppy off. It's getting to be something I like better. I wish that mica powder would stay. I really, really do. Use whatever paint is on my tile. Must be time to torch pretty soon. I'm thinking this is looking a lot too dark. So why not lighten it up a little? I really wanted some of that blue in there too. This is pretty wild. Yeah, and I did it with my finger. I kind of suspect that if the white paint on the background has begun to congeal, I might have a better chance of keeping my whatever it's called, mica powder, which is probably findable just by looking for this color on my Amazon link. I am being called to something weird, and that's okay. I'm probably going to be doing some more of that in a moment, I'm guessing. I just like making those little patterns so much. Where else? Anywhere else? I don't know. This is a wild one. I'm very tempted to take some of that cell activator and see what it'll do in that gold. If it won't do much of anything, then I won't worry about it. This looks like a snake head here. I think I can change that. So, what else do I feel like I might want? Some of that right there. Which is usually pretty nice when combined with black. Do I want to do it up there too? I'm having too much fun. I gotta tell you guys, I do sell my artwork. I have over 1,600 videos on playlists that are organized by the 100 and also by topic. If you give me a thumbs up, I love you more. Really appreciate if you watch when the notifications come out, but I understand if you're busy. I'm busy too. I do have an Amazon link, I did mention that. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. I also have a monthly drawing, for the moment anyway. And if you are a contributor to help keep the studio rolling, I very much appreciate that. And it will automatically get you entered if you use PayPal or Patreon into the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing on the exhibition video on the end screens of any video, because they change every month. I hope that wasn't a mistake. But I'm having too much fun officially, and I think I'm going to continue to have fun until I run out of time. And I might want a little bit more of that neon pink. Yes. Some neat stuff happening here. I wanted to drag that through them. Give a little pattern there. What else? What else? Anything else? Not much. I keep saying that, don't I? So I love you guys. There's over 90,000 of you, and check my Teespring below the video for all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and fanny packs and clutches and makeup bags and you name it. All kinds of cool stuff is there. I think that I like a little more orange right there. I got 1 minute left. What do I need to tell you? I told you my books. Pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are all under the link tree underneath the video, and my website. And what else? Where's my straw? Maybe I should just leave those dots right there. Huh. That's not a bad idea, actually. I kind of like that. Let's just add another couple. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Inviting you to come again tomorrow if you want. I post at 8 a.m. Excuse me, I posted, no, I'm not even up then. I post at 10 a.m. Monday through Friday, and Friday night and Saturday night, 10:30 p.m. also. I just keep feeling like there's some other place that I'm supposed to be putting orange in. Maybe that'll be it. You guys take care of each other. I told you that already. Okay, I want your thumbs up, please. Please remember me. I might put a couple spirals in there. I like that. That helped a lot. I'm good now. Woo! All right, I'll see you guys on. I'll try and zoom in if you're still here. If you're not, I'll see you when I see you. Sooner than later, I hope. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. There's a lot going on in there, I want to tell you what. That was unexpectedly a blast. There's like half a dozen paintings in there if I just took details out.